a review in story form. Once upon a time on the dying planet of Krypton, two cries echoed in the chaos, one from a warm cradle in a hidden chamber, and the other from a cold, sterile lab. These were the last sons of Krypton, both named Kal-El, both destined to carry their planet's legacy to the stars. But only one of them was born the way life was meant to be, with love, sacrifice, and hope. The first child, born naturally, was cradled in the arms of Jor-El and Lara. He was not created, not programmed. He was born, born into danger, born as a symbol of rebellion against Krypton's controlled society. His parents, knowing their world was doomed, chose to send him to Earth, a planet with a yellow sun and a chance at life, freedom, and choice. That child grew into Henry Cavill's Man of Steel, the Superman who felt pain, loss, identity, love, and rose above it all to protect both humanity and his Kryptonian heritage. But somewhere else, deep within the cold glow of synthetic lights, another version of Kal-El stirred to life. The Superman reboot, not born but built, not nurtured but engineered. His parents, driven by desperation, created him in the last effort of Krypton science, sealed away in a pod they doubted would even survive. This Superman wasn't supposed to make it. He was the what if, the science experiment, the forgotten twin. And somehow, against the odds, he did survive and landed on Earth, just in a different story. The director of this new tale must have been dreaming. No, nightmaring when he asked, what if this Superman had made it instead? What if emotion, heart, and humanity were replaced with CGI, flat dialogue, and robotic presence? What if Superman wasn't a man, but just an alien in a cape? And so, the world was given the Superman reboot, a story that tried to rewrite destiny but forgot the soul of it. The reboot version walked, talked, and flew like Superman, but he wasn't Superman. He lacked the gravity of Henry Cavill's Kal-El, the one who questioned his place in the world, who broke down before he stood tall, who turned sacrifice into strength. Henry's Superman was born from passion, directed with purpose, and told with pain and power. The reboot was born in a test tube and directed like a dream that should have stayed in the mind of a sleep-deprived filmmaker. In the end, both Supermen share the same name, the same crest, even the same origin, but only one carries the weight of that legacy. And that's why the true Superman will always be the Man of Steel, because he was born not just of Krypton, but of heart, hope, and Henry Cavill.